Hello students and welcome back to my channel. I am here this time. I have come with questions from 2024 January 27th JEE Mains. Okay students, so without wasting time, let us come to the first question. We have to identify the physical quantity that cannot be measured using a spherometer. As you know students, spherometer is essentially a device which is used to measure the curvature of surfaces. Basically, they were basically used by persons who were dealing in optics, doctors and all. And by the help of spherometer, they used to calculate the curvature of lenses. And of course, they can also be used to employ used to determine the radius of curvature of even a mirror also. So this is true, and this is also true. Also, they can be used to calculate thickness, determine thickness. But this is something very odd, specific rotation of liquids. Specific rotation of liquids means it is something related to photometry, and there is a special, instrument to measure the degree of rotation of the plane of polarized light. So that is altogether different. So correct option will be this thing, specific rotation, second option. Then moving to the next question students, you can see given below are two statements. Statement 1 reads Planck's constant and angular momentum have same dimensions. This is true students, this is absolutely true, because Planck's constant is what we call equivalent to angular momentum, because from Bohr's orbital law, we have angular momentum is equal to n times h by 2 pi. Since n by 2 pi has no dimensions, so angular momentum have dimensions equivalent to that of Planck's constant. Then linear statements 2 reads linear momentum and moment of force have same dimensions. This is wrong students, because linear momentum is mass into velocity, okay, which is definitely ml by t, whereas moment of force is actually a torque. So torque is defined as lever arm multiplied by force. So lever arm is L, force is ml t power minus 2. So both are, you can see, both are quite different. So this is wrong. So statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Then moving to the, where is the third question student? Straight away I have gone, okay, sorry, this is the third question. I'll first take up this third question. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. In vernier caliper, if positive zero error exists, then while taking instruments, the reading taken will be more than the actual reading. This is true students, because the moment we say the zero error is positive, so basically the reading is already some positive value, even though it should be zero. That means when the two jaws meet each other, when there is nothing in between, then actually the reading should be zero, and it is already showing some non-zero reading, positive non-zero reading. So basically we say the error is on the higher side and we get measured value more than the true value. So in such case what will happen? The correction will be usually negative. Right. So this is true students. Then the zero error in vernier calipers might have happened due to manufacturing defect and due to rough handling. Exactly, this is the reason students. Naturally, manufacturing defect could be one of a potential, source of zero error. Okay, and other than that, due to wear and tear, we can say, because by continuous usage due to wear and tear, it's quite possible that the instrument can develop zero error. However, this does not, clarify the reason behind this. So the correct answer would be second option. Both A and B are correct, and R is not the correct explanation. Then coming to question 4, the equation of state for real gas is given by this, and temperature is this. The dimensions of A by B square. Here we are going to apply students principle of homogeneity in dimensions. Principle of homogeneity in dimensions. Principle of homogeneity in dimensions, which states that physical quantities having the same dimensions only can be added or subtracted. In other words, you can see pressure is being added to A by V square. So therefore, A will be having dimensions equivalent to P into V square. Similarly, you can see students, B is being subtracted from V. So V must be having dimensions equivalent to B. So therefore, A by V square, A by B square. So A means PV square, B means V square, V square. So we are left with P. So basically, correct option is the second option. That's all, students. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you.